Hello everyone, welcome to Noble Architects Consult. In this video, I'm going to show you how to import SketchUp model to Lumion. First of all, open your Lumion like this. When you open it, you make sure that you click place, then click import new model. When you open it, go to the folder you saved your SketchUp model, like this model right here. Click and save it to a particular folder. Then when you are done, you go to Lumion and open it. You have it here. You select it and open. When you open it, click OK. Left click and place it. We have the project here. Afterwards, you can make some adjustments to it. Then if you want to re-import it, maybe you make some adjustments to the SketchUp model and you want to re-import it to Lumion. Select the model and click right here, re-import. You re-import the project. But if you made any changes to the name, you press the Alt key and click re-import model. So that's just it. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe to our channel and hit the notification button to get notified each time we post an interesting video like this. If you have any question or contribution, you drop it on the comment section below. Please like and share this video for others to benefit from it. Thank you. See you in our next class.